challenge, and guess who's here with me this time? It's Shruti from Shruti Arjun Anand. Hi Shruti.
Hi.
I don't think you need an introduction. Our audience loves you and we ourselves love your skincare and makeup tips.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The team has challenged us to do the blindfolded makeup challenge. Are you ready?
Yes, I know I can beat you on this.
Okay then, we shall see. So, who's gonna go first?
I'm gonna go first.
Okay then. So guys, just take a long scarf or a cloth that's not see-through and then just tie it around the other person's head like so.
Covering the eyes.
Covering the eyes. Of course. अभी मैं check करूँगी. How many fingers are these?
No, I cannot see anything.
How many fingers?
I cannot see anything.
Okay, cool. So we're ready then. Okay, so I've already prepped up my skin, so let's just start with the makeup.
Okay.
So, Shruti, what do you want to do first?
So she had all her makeup stuff lying over here. So I have to guess what stuff it is. Beauty blender. And then her BB cream.
Okay.
So I'm taking a little bit of foundation because she already have very clear skin.
Okay,
So,
thanks.
Where is your face?
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna hold you like this.
Oh wow, my hair is getting all the foundation. Nice.
There's a nose. Okay, here.
Okay.
Where there is concealer? Yes.
Yeah, that's
Maybelline
my
Fit
concealer.
Me concealer. I'm gonna take it. Look up.
I'm looking up. Oh my god, don't poke my eyes.
Don't worry. I will try not to, but बदला निकाल सकती हूँ मैं आज.
मैंने क्या किया है?
ऐसे ही. Nose. It's time for compact. It is. Okay, so I'm taking the big fluffy brush.
This brush is so nice. It's so soft. Please keep doing it. You know, guys, I get really sleepy when someone else does my makeup. Hey, be gentle.
Oh, sorry. I'm using this very. I cannot see the color, but it's purple.
Purple?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm guessing it's a purple.
Purple blush you want to put?
Yes. Where is your face?
Yeah, that's my face.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, my nose is my cheek now.
Okay. Blush is done now. Now we are going for something. Let's see. Oh, eye makeup.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put this shade, which is very, very bright.
Are you going to use your fingers again?
Yes, I'm going
Just
to
don't
use my
poke my
fingers.
eyes.
Okay. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes.
That's my nose. That's my
Oh,
nose.
sorry.
I
Okay.
wish I had a mirror right now.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to put different color eyeshadows on.
Why would you do that?
Because this is fashion right now.
Okay, yeah, that's quite.
And you need more
experimental.
color in
Yeah,
your
yeah.
life,
I
so-
love experimenting. Wow. Wow, so perfect.
So I'm gonna blend it with your brush.
Oh, you're not done yet.
Yes. Eye makeup is my favorite.
Are
so
you sure that's the brush? You
No.
want to go
This is like an angle one. I want a small one. I will go with the small smudge brush.
for? Are you sure you're going
Yes,
to
because I'm doing cut crease now.
You're going to do cut crease on my eyes now?
Yes.
Oh my god. That's my forehead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, eyes are done.
Oh wow,
And
I feel like a diva already.
yes, but seriously, I don't have that much time for eyebrows, and these days, full eyebrows are in fashion. So I'm gonna put eyebrow powder eyeshadow on eyebrows with my finger.
But
Yes.
Are you sure about that color?
Yes.
That's very gold. Oh my god. That's my nose. That was my nose. There goes my image. I'm being humiliated.
Don't worry, I'm gonna make you look pretty. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna blend everything now.
What?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so what else I wanna use? Do you have a highlighter or something? This is a lipstick, I think, and this is mascara. So let me put mascara now.
What the hell? Those are not my eyelashes. Oh my god.
See, I'm putting just a little bit because she
Yeah,
doesn't
little
need
bit.
that much mascara, na?
Can't wait for my turn.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. First, we are going to use lipstick because liquid lipsticks are a little drying. So I'm going to use a moisturizing lipstick on her, and then on top of that, I will apply a liquid lipstick.
So thoughtful.
Yes.
Don't break it.
Pout. That will be easier for me. Pout, pout, pout.
Tastes good.
And the last master stroke, liquid lipstick.
Oh my god.
And this color is so, very neutral. So it's going to look
Totally neutral.
Yes, so it's going to look really good on her. Do pouting. Where is it? I don't want to put it on your. Okay.
Wow.
Don't laugh, huh? I forgot eyeliner and I'm gonna use it because I'm good at eyeliner.
I've given up.
Most of my looks are like with eyeliners only, so I'm gonna put an eyeliner on. Where's your hand? These days people want a different kind of eyeliner look. So this is a graphic eyeliner. Let me blend everything like her foundation and blush and everything together to, make her a whole look and all the products marry each other.
Marry each other?
Yes. Okay, so are you going to open my blindfold now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please have a look at what you've done. Here.
Wow! This is the actual look I was going for, It's
Yeah,
very
you
in
like
these
it?
days. Yes. I love it.
देख लो अपने आप को
Yeah,
अपने?
yeah, definitely. It's looking so awesome on you. Especially the blush is looking like dead on. Perfect.
I'm really scared right now, but what the fuck? It looks like I'm going for Halloween. like my nose is bleeding and wow, the eyeliner is on fleek though.
Yeah,
The
one.
blush looks nice. The base is nice. Rest, let's not talk about. No, I just can't take my eyes off my eyeliner right now.
Especially look at this double wing which I created.
Love it.
Since you look so beautiful, I can't wait for my time.
Oh, I can't wait either.
I just want to look pretty now. ज़्यादा तेज तो नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं ठीक है. Okay, then let's do this. Okay, got the beauty blender. अब आया. So I'm just gonna dot the foundation on her face. Now I don't want her face and neck to look two different shades.
You forgot my forehead.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, then let's start blending. It's called dabbing. Cool. Okay. So next, we're going to go put concealer. This is a concealer, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I'm really scared doing this. कुछ आया? Hey, this is the consistency is so nice.
I know.
Your eye, look up.
Oh my god, this feels so good.
Okay, look up.
I'm already looking up. I can see everything from here. That's
Okay,
what
so
I
we're
think.
done with this. Next up, let's go to her eyebrows. Okay.
It feels on the right place right now.
I'm going to give you the perfect curve.
Yes, that's what I think. Oh my god. Wow. But you're putting this on my eyebrows, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Let's move on to her eyes. This color. Nice.
This looks pretty good now. It's gonna look really pretty. I love this shade. It's a very winter appropriate color actually.
What is this shade?
No, please no, please no, please no.
Let's use this shade.
No. I'm literally crying now.
Oh, nice. Let's move on to blush.
2 layers of blush. You need to apply 2 layers of blush, else
Oh.
it's not gonna stay. So
Yeah.
yeah.
I think you should put like
3.
another, yeah.
Oh my
3
God.
rosy cheeks.
I look like a painting right now. That's what I
Sure
believe.
You do.
Just 1 layer on this cheek.
No.
Okay.
Equal होना चाहिए ना दोनों cheeks. Okay, cool. I think we're done with blush. So let's see जो भी हाथ में आएगा वो करते हैं. ये क्या है?
Highlight.
Let's highlight.
What do you want? You can highlight with the fingers.
I think there's a stippling brush, but
Yes, it is.
anyway, we'll make do of it. Let's
No,
mix
no, no,
all
no, no, no.
colors.
I'm not going to disco right now, so you can leave the highlighter out.
I'll want you to glow like a disco ball.
I already might, huh?
Okay then, guys, we're done almost. Let's just move on to eyeliner. This is an eyeliner, no?
Yes, yes, this is a eyeliner.
Okay, great. Come. ये कैसा eyeliner है?
Now you want to go for
Last
lipstick?
but not the least, lipstick. So these two are lipsticks, right?
Yes.
Which one should I go for? Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay, pouch. Cool, done. Okay, I can't wait to see you.
And I can't wait to kill you.
Okay, come on.
There's so much makeup on my face, right? But I look so awesome, right?
You look better than me. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready to be amazed.
Drum rolls.
Oh
So
my God.
pretty.
Yes. I have enough blush on my cheeks. I can use this for a year or so, I think.
Yeah.
And just a little bit of highlighter. I was thinking you are going to apply a little extra, but
Hey, I love the highlight on the bridge of your nose. I think I need to actually take a bath, and so do you.
no, no, no. I look so beautiful. By,
Yeah, of course. You want to keep this?
Do let her know by commenting below that I look so amazing
no,
with this look.
I look more beautiful. Guys, I look more beautiful. It's me. Comment below. Okay, and also there's going to be a poll on the PopXO app, so make sure you download it and you vote for me.
I also did a collab with PopXO TV for my channel, so don't forget to check out my channel Shruti Archananan for that amazing video and subscribe to my channel.
Of course, and guys, if you like this video, let us know in the comment section below, and also let us know what kind of other challenges you'd like us to do, and yeah, subscribe to PopXO TV. Bye.
Bye!